How to add in smooth zoom effect on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go ahead and show the steps on how you can add in smooth zoom effect on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go out through. First things first, you want to go ahead and load up your project. Simply go ahead and open up your CapCut on your PC and then load up the project and add in the file that you would like to edit and zoom in on and add the effect. Now you can see here, let me play this image right away. This is the video, and you can see here I've added in the zoom effect. Now how you can add in zoom effect this way, right? Now in order to add this zoom effect, what you can do is you can simply tap on the particular clip on your timeline. Right now, once you have opened up the clip, here you'll find the option animation, and here you can see the in and out combo. So you can see zoom 1 here, you can see unfold, you can see zoom 2. You can use this effect. However, these are the pro effects, so you'll need the CapCut Pro. You can increase the duration of it, and now you can play it. So you can see this is how you can use or add smooth zoom effect on a video on CapCut. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.